To replace a faulty display on an 8/12 slot station, begin by preparing the necessary tools. Use a suction cup to carefully remove the outer screen. Then unscrew and remove the fixing screws from all 4 sides. Next, take out the faulty display screen and remove the iron sheet on both sides. Turn to the back and disconnect the cable before installing a new display screen. Reconnect the cable. Secure it with tape. Reinstall the iron sheets on both sides. Tighten the screws. Finally, install the external screen, and you can use it.